In this video, you'll learn how to remove a passkey from Bitget. By following these steps, you will effectively manage your security settings on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. Ensure you a reliable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once the homepage loads, you will notice various trading options and features available. Next, locate the highlighted section on the interface. This area typically contains important notifications and updates. Clicking on this will lead you account settings. After that, find and click on the settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This action will redirect you to the settings menu where various account preferences can be adjusted. Once this appears, look for the security tab within the settings menu. Selecting this option will allow you to manage your account's security features, including the passkey. Continue by clicking on the passkey option. This section will display your current passkey settings and any relevant configurations. Now, you will see a message indicating that your account and trades are safer with a passkey. Click on the prompt that encourages you to configure your passkey settings. Following this, select the configure button. This step will take you to the configuration page where you can manage your passkey. Next, click on the delete option to initiate the process of removing the passkey. This action may prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you wish to proceed. Then click on the delete passkey button that appears. This step is crucial as it confirms your intention to remove the passkey from your account. After that, a confirmation message will ask, "Are you sure you want to delete your passkey?" Click on this message to proceed with the deletion. Following this, select the delete button to finalize your decision. This action will initiate the removal of your passkey from the system. Next, you will be prompted to undergo a security verification process. Click on security verification to ensure that your account remains secure during this adjustment. Once the verification step is complete, return to the passkey section. This will allow you to confirm the successful removal of your passkey. Finally, click on the confirm button to complete the process. After this action, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your passkey has been successfully removed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.